Okay, let's get a little bit more into DHCP. In a DHCP environment, you're going to have the clients that want IP addresses and the server that hands out those IP addresses. Now, for this whole lesson, we're talking about ports, and it's important to know the ports for each. When you are running server DHCP software, that's going to run on port 67. And on the client side, it's going to run on port 68. So that's important to note. When it comes to DHCP, there's a 4-step process, and we call this DORA. And that's an acronym. It stands for 4 items. When the client wants an IP address, it broadcasts out to the network, and it does what's known as discovery. So it attempts to find the server. Once it does find a server, the server then makes an offering to the client. When the client gets the offering, it then requests a particular IP address from that offering. And if the server's cool with that, it acknowledges it, and the client gets that IP address. So for example, 192.168.1.100 or something like that. So keep in mind there's a 4-step process for DORA, and that's discovery, offering, request, acknowledgement, and also that the server hands out the addresses and uses port 67 to do so, and the client accepts the addresses and uses port 68 to do that.